Hello everybody, welcome to the cast iron for chatter demonstration. In the next few minutes, we'll first give you a quick overview of the IBM acquisition of cast iron, and then specifically show you a demonstration that illustrates how you can use cast iron for chatter, our brand new solution, to extract data from hundreds of enterprise applications and provide real-time event feeds into chatter. So to kick it off, about the acquisition, now we all know that the IBM WebSphere has been the market leader for on-premise to on-premise integration over 15 years with more than 10,000 customers as well as the largest application integration user community. Now, with the new acquisition, what IBM has got is the market-leading solution for cloud integration. So in addition to on-premise integration leadership, what IBM adds now is the market leadership for cloud integration, which includes cloud-to-cloud integration as well as cloud-to-on-premise integration. And specifically, IBM also gets a product line that is being built from the ground up for cloud using the speed and simplicity that's a prerequisite for this market, as well as a proven solution with thousands of customers integrations connecting cloud with cloud and on-premise applications. And the market reaction has been extremely positive on the acquisition, as you can see here by some of the industry analysts and pundits. Some of the early feedback has been a match made in enterprise heaven, stellar list of partners, the de facto leader in cloud integration. Cast iron allows IBM to be a complete platform, a one-stop shop for integration, a proven cloud integration as a service solution, etc. So definitely, there's been very good market traction that highlights the positive synergies of adding cast iron to the IBM portfolio. So having said that, let's quickly talk about the demonstration today. So what we're announcing today is cast iron for chatter, which is a new solution that enables you to extract information from hundreds of enterprise applications and provide real-time event feeds into chatter. And this information could be not only from commercial packaged applications in the enterprise, but also from hundreds of homegrown applications that companies may have. And the event feeds that we extract can be across different functional areas in a company and across different business processes in a company. So here are some examples of event feeds that cast iron for chatter can provide. It involves in the marketing area, such as event registrations, website visits, new leads, orders submitted, etc. In the order management and finance areas, such as statuses of orders, invoices, payments, product returns, etc. As well as the support and service areas, where it's information on cases, closed tickets, support cases, etc. And all this information can be extracted and provided in real time to chatter without writing a single line of code. So what we're going to show you today is this configuration, not coding experience using cast iron for chatter. Now specifically what we're going to do is first we're going to talk about Ward Manufacturing, which is an engine manufacturing company. And in this scenario, a salesperson is using the Sales Cloud. They're going to close an opportunity that is automatically going to be converted into a sales order by the cast iron solution into the back office Oracle ERP system. And then any time the status of that sales order changes in the back office ERP system, we're going to automatically take that event and notify chatter in real time so that the salesperson in this case does not have to do the swivel chair approach of trying to log into multiple applications to see real information about their orders. So let's go do that without further ado. Let's kick off this demonstration as a sales user for Ward Engine Manufacturing Company. And I'm using the Sales Cloud to manage my opportunities in my pipeline. In this case specifically, I have an opportunity that I've created to sell diesel engines to Acme Auto Parts Services Company. And specifically, if you look at this opportunity, I'm going to sell a GenWatt diesel engine for $13,000 as a salesperson to Acme Services. And let's just say that I was able to successfully negotiate this deal and convert it from an opportunity to actually something that's actually been closed and won. Now what we see here is that once I haven't saved the order yet, or the opportunity yet as closed, and so as a result I don't have the corresponding sales order number from the ERP application. Now once I've saved it, what happens is that cast iron automatically takes this opportunity and converts it into a sales order in the Oracle EBS application and comes back and populates that order number in the Salesforce application. So if I actually refresh my screen, what you see here, an order number of 64110 has been created for me in the back office application. Now as a salesperson, I obviously don't have access into EBS, so I'm just going into Chatter and try to monitor what's happening to this order in the back office application. Now let's go actually change personas here and play the role of somebody in the back office who has now just received this order 64110, and now say that's now in the process of allocating the order and shipping it, etc. So now I'm playing the role of an order management person in the back office using Oracle EBS. So let's go find Oracle order number 64110. And there you see it's for Acme Services. It's for $13,000 created today. And if I go look at the line items, you see there's one line item that's been automatically created. It's for that engine for $13,000. Now the request date was June 9th. And let's just say that I looked at this and I was not able to send this product immediately to the customer because it's back ordered and there's a number of customers asking for it. So let's just say the scheduled ship date was, let's just we postpone it and make it August the 15th. Now, me as an order management person has put the actual scheduled ship date as August the 15th. Now, as a sales user, I like to know that because I'd actually promised the customer that's going to come immediately for them. Now, I don't have access as a salesperson to Oracle EBS. So how do I find that out? I'm using Chatter and see what happens. Now, let's change personas again and now play the role of a salesperson who's now sitting on Chatter. And let's refresh the home screen here. And immediately sitting in Chatter, I know that order number 64110 has a shipping date that's been changed to 08/15/2010. Now, obviously, that's not great news for me because I told the customer I would ship it out as soon as possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call the order management person in the back office, explain that it's a real strategic customer that buys a lot of product, who's expecting this immediately, and I'm able to negotiate with that back office person to deallocate that order from some other customer and provide it to me immediately. And let's just say that they're able to ship that order, best case scenario, by July 15th rather than August 15th. Now let's go back now into the EBS application and play the role of that particular order management person who just talked to the salesperson now, and now is able to change the status of this order from or the shipping date of this order from August 15th now to July 15th. Now the order management person says he's done that, but again, as a sales user, I don't have access to EBS, so I'm not seeing this information. But since I have Chatter, I get that real-time feed now that the shipping date is now changed back into 7/15, which shows that now the customer is going to get the product sooner, and I'm very happy. So again, without having the need to swivel chair and log into multiple applications, the salesperson can be on Chatter and get that real-time event feeds from all these back office applications to deliver that superior customer experience. Now, how we did that using Cast Iron Chatter, let's quickly look at that. Now, first of all, every user in this company has the ability to subscribe to multiple events. And what we see here is that Cast Iron for Chatter has created the following events for this company, Ward Manufacturing, for showing information on shipments, orders, invoices, accounts, as well as leads from different applications. And as a user, I can subscribe to specific events that I want to track in my Chatter account. Now, behind the scenes, what happens is that Cast Iron Cloud, which is the multi-tenant cloud service application, has the integration templates for extracting the data from all these different applications and providing a real-time view into Salesforce.com. And here is just a sample of all the integration templates available to extract information from different systems and populate Salesforce.com. And here are some examples of templates for applications that are commercial applications like EBS, Microsoft Dynamics, etc., as well as homegrown applications running on different databases, etc. So that completes the demonstration that shows you how you can extract data from multiple back office applications and provide real-time feeds into Chatter so that different salespeople and other people using Salesforce.com across the enterprise can get real-time information across the enterprise. That completes the demonstration. Thank you for your time.